Hello everyone, welcome to DevOps Mind. My name is Princey. So today let's talk about deploying an application into Kubernetes cluster. So in general, we will have two repositories. So one is source code repository where the actual code lives in. So this will be developed by the development team or dev team, and another one is Kubernetes. So it will be named as per the company. So this will be completely developed and maintained by the DevOps or SRE or platform engineer. So now let's talk about our app source code repository. So I am currently naming it as a Pi Oreo app. As you can see here, what it says Pi Oreo app. That's what I'm naming. As I mentioned earlier, this is the code app.py. This is the code which I have developed. So in general, the dev team will be responsible to develop the code. So here I am the developer and DevOps engineer. So this is our app.py, the actual code, and here we have our requirement.txt. This is the supporting file of the app.py, or we can say library of the app.py. So, and here we have our Docker file. Let's talk about this later. And we have our readme.md file where the actual steps we can see how our app is developed. Here we can see. So here we have our first step, cd. Cd means current directory, the current path which the path which takes you to the where your code actually is. So here we have our command, cd command. Copy this. Right. Oh, we have to go to bash first. Go to bash, click right click, give right click, show more options. Open git bash here. Right. Let's paste the command which we have copied. Right. So we are in d repos by Oreo app. This is the path. Right. So here we are copying the pip install command. Copy the command. Right. So what is the pip install command? So this command, it will install all the required Python libraries. Okay. Right. Yep. So to start our app, we have our third command, python app.py. Let's paste this command. Okay, Sabin flash. Okay, so it says running on HTTP 127.0.0.1.5000. Right, so just copy this. So now we have our app locally. Just copy this, paste it. Right, so this is our app, Oreo app, because I like Oreos, that's why I just randomly pick Oreo. Then Oreo, welcome to Oreo, Oreo biscuits, Oreo shake, cake, and Oreo ice cream. Okay, I like Oreo ice cream. I don't know what you guys like. Okay, we can add it to cart. Let's pick randomly just ice cream, cake. Yeah. So it's $10.25, $10.25. Then checkout. So the order has been placed and the total is $10.25. Right? So this is our basic app. So it runs on 5,000. This is our port. 5,000 is our port. So if it is, for suppose it is a 8,000, then if our steps contain 8,000 in readme.md5, if it says 8,000, then it is port 8,000. It says 5,000, so the app runs on port 5,000. That's why we have given this and we have entered this. Okay, okay, fine. So here we have this entry. So here what it means, how many times you enter in a browser, you hit it on a browser, your app, so that many entries you can see here. So here currently we have two entries. Let's hit it again. uh, yes, we will copy it again. All right, here I have hit it again. So here we have three entries. So likewise, how many times we hit it, that many entries we can see here. So if I quit the app by giving Control plus C, I've been quit the app. So if you refresh and see whether our app is working or not, of course it doesn't work because I stopped the app. Right here doesn't work. I stopped the app. It says this site can't be reached. Refuse to connect because I stopped it. Right. So now I'm canceling this. Our app is working absolutely fine. And yeah, I cancelled it. It won't be accessible now. Mm. Let's go to our Docker file. This is our Docker file. So I'm taking a Python image. This is the latest image, Python image. Right. So I'm copying the requirement dot txt file. Mhm. So I'm copying the requirement dot txt file in the current path. So the dot here, we can see the dot, right? So this dot means current file. That means Docker file. So you can give copy requirement.txt space Docker file or copy requirement.txt space dot. So both are same. So I have given the dot, which is the current path, and run pip install. So I'm installing the requirement .txt by using the pip command. This is our pip command, right? So here run mkdir hyphen p data volume data. This means I'm creating the directory data and exposing it. This is exposing it to the 5,000 port, which I've mentioned earlier. 5,000 means 5,000 port, 8,000 means 8,000 port, anything. So here I'm exposing on the 5,000 port, and cmd python to start the app. I'm starting the app by using this command called cmd python app.py, or we can use entry point and cmd, both are same. Okay, our Docker file has been finished. So that's all about the Docker file, right? So let's go to the bash. Yes. So to check the Docker images, what all images we have in the Docker, we have the command called Docker images, right? Docker images. Yes, these are all the images we have. Then we have to build the Docker image. To build a Docker image, we have the command called docker build hyphen t. So here ours is Pi Oreo app, right? So I'm giving Pi Oreo app. You can give any version like V1, V2, V3, or you can take any number 1.2.1. Anything is fine. App dot okay build. So where you're building in your current path, which is dot. Dot means current path. That's the thing. Dot means current path, correct path, Dockerfile. That's it. So Docker build hyphen t pi audio app um, version. I'm going with the V1, or you can take V2, V3, up to you. Dot. Okay. Just click enter. Have some patience. It takes some time. Our image is building now. Yeah. So the Docker image, it has been built. It says finished. Yeah. So this is our uh, image by Oreo app V1. The version is V1, right? So now we have built it. So now let's tag it. We have to check whether it has been built or not by giving the Docker images command. Docker images v1 Pi Oreo app v1. It has been created, right? So now we have to push this image to the container registry in cloud. So currently I am using the AWS. So any cloud is fine if you have GCP, Google Cloud, or AWS, Azure. If you have any cloud, that's fine because I have AWS. I am pushing my image to the AWS. Right. Now I am creating a repository in ECR. Yes, this is AWS console, AWS console, ECR Elastic Container Registry. This is our registry. Yes, click on create repository. So we have to name our repository. Ours is Pi Oreo app, right? Pi Oreo app. So click on create. Yes, Pi Oreo app, our repository successfully created. So we have to push here. So we have to copy the command. First, we need to log in actually. Yes. To log in, we have copied the command, just paste it. Log in into the AWS first. So this line here, this is called pipe symbol. So before pipe symbol, I'm logging hyphen profile. Yeah, yes. So the login has been successfully done. Login succeeded. Now we have logged into the AWS. I audio app. You push commands. We have login successful. We have built our image. Okay, now let's tag it. We are tagging our image. So we have taken the V1 version V1, right? Just edit the name. Latest V1. Okay. Click enter. Let's see whether it has been tagged or not. Docker images. V1, yes, it has been tagged here. As you can see here, it has been tagged. Our Pi audio app, right? Mhm. So let's push our image to the ECR. So I copied the command, push command. Latest, I'm giving V1. Okay. Our image is being pushed to the ECR in AWS Cloud. Okay. It takes some time. So now we are pushing our image to the ECR. Okay. Let's check. Let's check. Just refresh. Yes, this is our version V1. It has been pushed. Successfully, it has been pushed. Right. Mm, yeah, so that's all for this topic, for this video. So this entire process is called CI, which means continuous integration. So in next topic, we will discuss about CD, which is continuous deployment. So stay tuned for more such contents. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you.